Good morning, students. My name is Rajneesh. So I'll be your maths teacher hereafter. So from today onwards, the classes for the polynomials will be continued where you left previously. In the previous exercise, we had stopped in 4.5. Exercise 4.5. The sum is factorize the following. Factorize the following. Now, what are we factorizing here? Before this, we did expansion. Expansion we did, now we are doing the factorize. That means whatever is being expanded, we have to get it in the short term. For example, the problem is 8a to the power of 3 plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now if you see here, we have cube. We had an identity stating that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the expansion and this is the short. Now this is the expansion. We have to get it this like this form. First step, write the identity as it is. A plus b this is the identity. Now this term we have to write it in this form. So can we write it like this? Plus 3 as it is. The value of a is 2a. So you will write it as 2a into 2a. And the value of b is as it is b. Plus 3 into 2a into b into b. If you multiply this one, you have to get this answer. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. We got this answer here. If you multiply this, you have to get this answer. Once when you get this answer, we will get to know the value of a is 2a and the value of b is b. So you will write it this as 2a plus b whole cube. So the factorization of this one is this. So this is the answer. You can just the second problem is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 125a square. Now in this we have negative. So we cannot use this identity. The next identity which we have is, which is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3ab square plus 3a square b cube. Now here if you see, this term I have same, and here these two terms I have two negative signs, and this I have positive sign. So you are writing this identity as is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now this term you have to write it in this form, which is 3 to the power of 3 minus this one 5a to the power of 3 minus 3 multiply, what is the value of a? It's 3. 3 into 3. And the value of b is 5a. 5a plus 3 into the value of a again is 3 into the value of b is 5 5a into 5a. So 3ab square. You just multiply this one and see 3 cube, 27 we get, 5a cube, we get 125a cube, 3 into 3, 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 5 is 135a. We get this. Now again, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 25 is 225a square, which is nothing but the value of a is 3, the value of b is 5a. So you are writing as 3 minus 5a whole cube. This is how we factorize it. This is the expansion form which we factorize this one. Factorize to this one. This is the expansion and factorize into this one. Copy down this in your classwork. This is second sum of 8th main. 8th main, second sum. Because the fifth problem in 8th main is 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Now again this we have to factorize. Now if you see this negative sign, again we are using this identity. The identity is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab square plus 3a square. This is the identity. Now the first term you are writing like this. Second term you are writing like this. And this term, this, and this term, this. Now here, can I write like this? 3 to the power of 3 is how much? 27. And I have p here, so include p. This one, 216 is nothing but 6 into 6 into 6. But I have here 1 by 216, which is 1 by 6. So I can write this as 1 by 6 to the power of 3 minus 3. What is the value of a? 3p into 3p. Value of b? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 plus 3 as it is. Value of a is 3p. 3p into 3p. Value of b is 1 by 6. Now here, the first term we get 27p cube as it is. This we get. Now this if I simplify, do we get this one? Let's check. 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Which is nothing but 1 by 4p. And next you take this one, which is nothing but 3 into 3p into 3p into 1 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So how much I get? 3 into 3? 9p squared by 2. Do we have these two terms? This is one term, this is second term. So therefore, the value of a is 3p. The value of b is 1 by 6. So I can write this completely as 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. This is the answer. All these workings are mandatory. If you do it, you will get it clarity. Okay? This is the fifth problem. Just copy down in your classroom. Okay, now in 8th main, we have done 3 problems and 2 are left. I want everyone to try. Okay, that will be your homework as well. Now the 9th problem is verify. Verify. That means we just have to check that this is equal to this one. Now here I have two terms, this one and this one. So when I multiply these two, do I get this result? Let's see. Now first thing is you multiply this x with x squared minus xy plus y squared. And then here you have plus y multiplied with all these terms once again. Plus y squared, which is equal to x into x squared, x cubed minus x squared y plus x y squared plus y into x squared. You get x squared y. This into this, you get minus x y squared. Y into y squared, you get y cubed. Now just check if anything gets cancelled. I have here minus x squared, but here I have plus x squared. I can cancel these two. Here xy squared minus, again I can cancel. What is remaining? Remaining is x cubed plus y cubed. Do we get this answer? Hence, very fine. Just copy down. Okay, in the next problem, this is the next one. Okay. Again, if you see the differences, only in the previous we had positive and in this we have negative. Here, negative. Here, positive. So again, what you have to do here is you have to multiply this and this and see what is the answer you get. I want everyone to try this one. Okay? And after this, the 10th problem is 27 y cubed plus 125 z cubed. Again, we have to factorize. Now, whenever we have to factorize, until unless we don't know the identity and the formula, we cannot do. So just now we did x cubed plus y cubed, which is nothing but x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared. Now this is in this form and we have to factorize like this. So the moment when we get the values of x and y, just put it across like this. Now how do we find the values of x and y? Now x cubed is 27 y cubed, which is nothing but 3y to the power of 3. And y cube is 5z to the power of 3. Now we know the values of x as 3y, y as 5z. Now put these values to this formula. X plus y, which is nothing but 3y plus 5z. And this one, 3y whole square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z whole square with a bracket. This as it is 3y plus 5z. And this one 9y square, because 3y whole square is 9y square, minus, multiply these two. You get 15yz plus this is 25z square. This is how you factorize. So whenever they tell about to factorize, it is nothing but whatever you have the expansion know, just write it as it is. Okay? Just copy out this. In the 10th problem, this is a second way. Okay? Here 64 n cubed minus 343 n cubed. Again, the identity is nothing but x cubed minus y cubed is equal to x minus y, x squared plus xy plus y squared. That's the identity. Now, how do we get the values of x and y? Now, write this term in this form. So I can write it as 4m whole cube minus 343, which is nothing but 7n whole cube, equal to 4m minus 7n multiply 4m whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n whole square, which is equal to this as it is. This one 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. This is how you factorize. Please copy down in your classwork. Okay, this is the 11th problem. Okay, again verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to half of x plus y plus z multiplied x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. That means if you multiply all this, we have to check if we get this one or not. Okay, let's do this one. Half as it is, you will write. This also as it is, you are writing. Expand this one. If I expand this, I'll get x squared plus y squared minus 2xy plus y squared plus z squared minus 2yz plus z squared plus x squared minus 2zx is equal to half. This you are writing as it is. And this one, how many x squared you have? 1, 2. 2x squared plus y squared 1, 2. Then z squared 2z squared, and then you have minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Then see, if you see the common here in all, I have a common of 2. So I will take 2 outside and then write correct. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now you are multiplying that. You can just copy down this. Okay, now here we got 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now this complete thing has to be multiplied with this one. That means x with all, y with all, z with all. See here, x with all, y with all, z with all. So when we multiply that, what do we get? We get x into x squared, x cubed, plus xy squared, plus xz squared, minus x squared y, minus xyz, minus zx squared. This is for this, plus yx squared plus y cubed plus yz squared minus xy squared minus xyz. Now this and this, you get plus zx squared plus zy squared plus z cubed minus xyz minus 5z squared minus z squared x. Now this complete thing, this term, this term, this term, this term, this term, and this term. All these 6 terms will remain and the rest will get cancelled. So that means you are left with x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Here you see minus xyz, minus xyz, minus xyz. In total how many we have? We have minus 3xyz. Here the same thing we got. So that means when we did the verify, we verify. Hence, verify. Copy down fast. Okay, 13th problem is if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. If you remember, we have 8 identities. The 8th identity states that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z bracket x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the 8th identity which you have for this chapter. It says that this complete thing is equal to this one. Now what are they given in the question? This term is 0. It is nothing but here I can put 0 multiplied by x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. With this 0, when you multiply with anything, you will get 0. Now what is 0? This term is 0. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. Now shift this side. You will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Same thing, right? See here? Copy down this. Because the next question is without actually calculating, find the value of minus 12 to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3. What are they asking you here is without calculating, that means without using this 12 into 12 into 12, you get an answer. Next 7 into 7 into 7, you get an answer. And then you add. We are not using something like this. We are using the identity. That is the 8th identity. We just now proved that x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to 3 times xyz if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now if we know that x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then this value we can find by directly multiplying. So what is the x, y, z here? X is negative 12, y is 7, z is 5. Now here, if I add x plus y plus z, what is the answer we get? We get minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. If you solve this, you will get 0. That means x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So this value will be equal to 3x which is nothing but 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. So if you multiply 3 into 12 into 7 into 5, what is the answer you get? 36 into 35, which comes up to 126. So the answer for this will be negative 126. So using this identity, we have to find the value which comes up to minus 1260. Now in this exercise, you have one more problem. I want you to try it out. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can get back to the interactive session.